Sabha elections. Guarantee of a national minimum wage at rupees 400 per day, 1 lakh rupees per year to every poor family, reservation of 50% seats for women in central government jobs, legal guarantee for minimum support prices and national caste census are the major highlights of the Congress manifesto for the Lok Sabha elections. Addressing a press conference here in Shillong today, the Vice President of Youth Congress, Banphi Ralang Basoymoit, said that the Congress in its manifesto also promised the development of infrastructure and elimination of poverty by improving the fortunes of 23 crore people over the next decade. Regarding the seizure of rupees 1 crore from an SUV closely following Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma's convoy at Kanubari checkpost in Longding district of Arunachal Pradesh yesterday, he said that the Youth Congress in Meghalaya will file a complaint with the Election Commission.
Brush this under the carpet. They should follow this up, and even from the party also we are still in the process of writing complaints. We'll give a sum of rupees 1 lakh to every poor household in the country. Any poor household below the ladder, but the bottom of the ladder, they'll receive a sum of rupees 1 lakh. The Congress will reserve 50%, will provide a reservation of 50% in central government jobs starting from the year 2025.
The PWD Road, Shillong Central